Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a cross table or contingency table using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm currently using Python version 3.12 in Jupyter Lab. This video will focus simply on how to create the cross table, and to show you how that can be done I'll need some example data. So I'll first import pandas so I can load the general social survey data from 2012 adjusted for some example purposes. Um, then oh, that's interesting. Then what we need is of course my library. So stikpetP, if you've never used it before, you need to install it, but please use my GitHub account for that. So, or not my account, but the link to my GitHub account. And the function of interest is tab cross for this video. It requires two fields as input. So the first that has the categories, and then if you like, you can also specify the order in which they should appear and which one it should actually be using. You can specify if you want to see percentages. None is the default, so then we'll show the counts. Otherwise, you can use all for using the percentage based on the grand total. You can use row for row percentages and column for column percentages. Do you want to see the totals for the margins? Either yes or no. So either exclude them or include them. And do you want to remove missing ones so that they're actually gone, or do you still want to see any missing values? So here's a quick example. So here's my basic cross table. So for example, there were 188 males that indicated never to be married. Instead of the counts, like I mentioned, you can also use percentages. So let's use column percentages, and let's also show the totals. And then you actually have a nice cross table showing also the totals and the percentages. Note these are percentages, so not proportion. So it's 16%. So 0.16 if you want it as a proportion. And that's about it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.